Chris here again from Pronamics. With our direct and overhead cost items now priced up, we can review the cost information and generate margin in the project summary window.
The project summary window summarizes all of the direct and overhead costs into each resource type. You can click on Edit to make changes in this window. The margin calculation section here allows you to decide how you want margin generated on your project. For example, we can set an overall margin of 10% on total costs. You may use the margin adjustment field here to enter a positive or negative number to adjust the margin as well. Or you can even enter in the total margin that you want generated in this field, instead of setting any other margins. Now, depending on the version of expert estimation you're using, there may be a huge range of methods to generate margin. However you've set up your margin, you can see the total margin for your project here. This total, similar to the total of overhead costs, will be placed into its own spread pool and spread across all of the direct costs, proportionally by default. If you're happy with the changes made to the margin calculations, you can click on Save.
And those are the basics of reviewing the project summary information. If you're happy with what you see in the project total, you can move on to reviewing the spread results, which we'll cover in our next video. For even more details about the project summary window, check out the knowledge base articles that we've linked below this video. And of course, at any time you can speak to me or any of our support team here in our Brisbane office on our support number. And leave us a comment below. I promise that we'll print and laminate every single one.